Hi folks, welcome back to the MetaBox tutorials. Today, we're going to show brand logos from clonable fields using MetaBox and Bricks Builder. Here is my example. To do it, we need the MetaBox Core plugin to have the framework for creating custom fields. It's free, so you can download it directly from wordpress.org. Next, we also need its extensions for further advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. Make sure that you enable the following extensions. MB Settings page allows you to create settings pages to input images. MetaBox Builder provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. And MetaBox Group helps to organize custom fields into clonable groups, where we input images. Finally, we need Bricks Builder. Make sure you activate the Bricks theme and update to the latest version to have full integration with MetaBox. That's all the tools we need for this tutorial. Typically, we'll use a custom post type to create multiple posts for brands. But now, I'll do another way more conveniently and simply, creating a setting page. All brand information will be inputted onto that page. It means that all of them will be in one place only. Go to MetaBox to create a settings page. In my case, the settings page is quite simple and contains only the image of each brand. As there's no special setting, I'll just change the option name. After publishing, you can see a new settings page named Brands appear here. On the settings page, we'll create a group field like this. It'll contain two subfields. One allows you to upload photos. The other allows you to fill in the brand's name. Furthermore, we'll make this group to be clonable. It will help us to add information about other brands through the Add More button. Back to the MetaBox menu. Let's create the custom fields. First, create a group field. Pay attention to this option. Set this group as clonable to have more spaces to add different brands' information. So you can add as many brand images along with their names as you want. When selecting this option, you'll see an Add More button appear here. Now create the subfields. We add two subfields, which are single image and text. One allows you to display the brand logo, and the other allows you to show the name of each brand. That's all the custom fields we need for the brand. After that, go to the Settings tab, and choose the location as the settings page. Then choose the brands that we've just created to apply the custom fields to it. Back on the Brands menu, the newly created custom fields will appear here. You can also click Add More to add other brands. Now, fill in the information in the fields. Let's edit the page with Bricks Builder. First, to contain all the brand's information, add a new section. Then, put it in any place where you want to show it on that page. Next, to add the title of the section, choose the heading element and name it. In the container element inside the section, select the div element to contain the brand information. Then, to get the data of brands, enable the Use Query Loop button. And in the Query section, choose the type of data source. To display the logo, choose the image element. As the images are saved in the custom field created by MetaBox, choose the Select Dynamic Data button and select the right field. Here, it says Brand Image Upload. Now all the brand's logos are displayed already. For the brand's name, choose the basic text element. We also use the Select Dynamic Data button and choose the field correspondingly. Then, you'll see the brand's name displayed immediately. Go to the home page, you'll see all of the brand information. For styling, go back to the page editor with Brick Builder. Then choose each element and change the settings to style them in your own way. Here, all the brand logos are displayed as we want. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.